Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Science Lesson 3. Today's topic is very interesting. Does sound moves? Let's find it out. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn whether sound gets softer or louder as it moves away from its source. Before we get started, let's review what we have studied so far. Sounds have sources. These sources are humans, animals, and non-living things. Sounds can be loud or soft. Loud sounds can be blocked by wearing earmuffs because loud sounds can damage our sense of hearing. So we should cover our ears and we should never listen to loud music. Remember, we are using sounds to explain you the lesson, but music is haram. Sounds can be heard when they enter our ears and get softer as they move away from their source. Okay, here we are. The sounds move. Let's find out. Turn on your mobile or television for some music. Use your phone or a TV for music. Your TV or phone is the source of music. Are you able to hear the music? Why? Because the music from the TV or mobile moves and enter your ears. And what's helping it? It's the air that is helping the sound to move to your ear. That's why you're able to hear the sound. Now, walk away from your device. That is the source of sound. Walk away. Even if you're listening to the explanation now, you can walk away and observe what will happen when you walk away from the source of sound. What happens to the music? It gets louder or softer as you move away. It gets softer when you move away from the source of sound. Whether it is your tablet, your mobile, or laptop, whatever is the source, when you move away from that source of sound, the sound gets softer. Now, walk back. Come back to your device or phone or TV, whatever source you are using. Go back to that source again. Does the music get louder or softer as you walk back? It gets louder again. Do you know why? Because you are now close, you are nearer to the source of sound. That's why the sound is louder again. If you move away, the sound will get softer or it will faint. But if you get closer to the source of sound, it will be louder. Look at this picture. It helps to show you how sound travels from its source through the air in wave patterns. The black lines that you can see are called waves. These waves carry the sound from the source to your ears. The white dots in the air represent molecules. But remember, we can never see the air. These molecules carry the vibrations caused by the source of the sound, and then they take it to your ears, and from the ears they pass the sound to your brain, where you get the message about what is the source of sound. I hope you are enjoying it. Let's talk about your research work that was given to you during your last lesson. If you haven't done it, do go and research and talk to your teacher in today's lesson. How does the sound move? What animals have no hearing? See you next week. That's all for now. Assalamu alaikum.